Okay, it's April 30th, 2025. I'm here with my Fujifilm X-H2S and I'm doing some testing. I right now am able to connect my DJI mini wireless microphone. So the receiver is up on the hot shoe and it is connected via a TRS cable into the mic port on the X-H2S. And I also have a neutral density filter on the camera, and over here I have a monolight. So right now I'm just kind of watching at the screen, moving my head, and it's tracking my eye. So again, I'm not sure that I have necessarily my exposure correct. Also, I have set this up as custom 4 on my dial, and what I'm shooting here is 4K DCI with no F-log. And I'm using classic chrome as the film simulation. So I also have a Deity 3 microphone, and I was not successful in getting that connected. I did have a TRRS cable to TRS. The Fujifilm needs a TRS end of the cable, so I'll see what I do to make that work, if I even want to invest the time. But so right now I'm testing the audio. I might be a little bit loud. Also, I'm testing my tracking. Is it following me? Am I staying in focus? I believe I have a continuous focus setting on, and the aperture right now is, I believe, f.28, and let me come forward here, the ISO is 2500, and my battery's indicating I'm running low, so I'm going to cut it off here. I'm using a shutter speed of 100. However, I'm shooting 4K DCI 25 frames per second. So, all right, this is test number 1.